Hello guys and what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's Captain Friday and today we're going to be learning how to make an NPC that follows you forever if you're close enough to it. So let's start with this tutorial. I got this NPC from the toolbox, which you can get if you press this icon at the top left corner. And in this NPC, we have an animate script, which I'll leave a link down below in the description so you guys can get it. It just looks like this. I am not that good at scripting, so I cannot script this. Let's make the only script that we need. So in the NPC, press plus, add a script. Rename the script to follow player. And now in the script, delete print hello world, and let's define run service. Local run service equals game get service run service. So run service will give us the heartbeat function, and the heartbeat function is basically a better way to use loops. Heartbeat function will make the performance of the game much better. Run service dot heartbeat colon connect function. Drop a line, and now we're going to make a function that finds the closest player to this NPC. Local function find closest player, parentheses, drop a line. So now we're going to loop through every single player in the game and check if their distance to the NPC is less than or equal to 15 studs. Then the target player will become that player. So for underscore comma player in pairs game dot players colon get players do. Now we're going to use magnitude to detect if their distance to the NPC is less than 15. If parentheses player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position subtracted by the position of this NPC script dot parent dot humanoid root part dot position dot magnitude is less than or equal to 15, then drop a line, return player. So this will loop through every single player in the game. If their distance to the NPC is less than 15, then the target player will become this player, which will be defined from this function. So in this loop, we're going to do local target player equals find closest player. Find closest player could also return nil or nothing. And if it was to be nothing, then the script would break. So we have to make sure that target player isn't nothing. If target player isn't equal to nil, then if it is a player, then script.parent.humanoid colon move to target player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position. So this checks if the target player is actually a player, and if it is, then it will move to this player. And also make sure that we do if target player isn't equal to nil and target player dot character isn't equal to nil, then we can do this. So now if I hit play here, just move a little bit back so we can test the distance working. So if we play here, the NPC is a little far away from me, and if I just get close enough, bruh, why did we start climbing up? Okay, it is following me and it won't stop following me. Even if I move all the way here, I need to die, and then I will be far away enough that it will stop following me. So when I respawn, I'm all the way over here. The NPC is all the way over there. It will not detect me because I am not close enough. And only if I get close enough, it will start following me. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure to comment that down below. Thank you for watching this, and see you guys later.